bending, city feels like it's underwater. Noises fading in the distance, only blue air left around me. Neon lights are walking on the water, between the shadows tinted blue. We don't need to say a word now, just drifting in the light with you. Time is melting in the cold air, afternoon feels out of place. Nothing here feels really real now, in this day pool lost in space. Between the towers and reflections, light is flowing like a tide. Drenched in silence, something lingers, feelings mixing deep inside. People fade above the surface, in this transparent city dream. It's just you and me together, quietly floating in between. Neon lights are walking on the water, between the shadows tinted blue. We don't need to say a word now, just drifting in the light with you. Time is melting in the cold air, afternoon feels out of place. Nothing here feels really real now, in this day pool lost in space. Through the glass the light is bending, city feels like it's underwater. Noises fading in the distance, only blue air left around me. Neon lights are walking on the water, between the shadows tinted blue. We don't need to say a word now, just drifting in the light with you. Time is melting in the cold air, afternoon feels out of place. Nothing here feels really real now, in this day pool lost in space. Between the towers and reflections, light is flowing like a tide. Drenched in silence, something lingers, feelings mixing deep inside. People fade above the surface, in this transparent city dream. It's just you and me together, quietly floating in between. Neon lights are walking on between the shadows tinted blue. We don't need to say a word now, just drifting in the light with you. Time is melting in the cold air. Afternoon feels out of place. Nothing here feels really real now, in this day pool lost in space. I open up the window wide, but only heat is coming in. Sleep has already disappeared, and thoughts of you begin. This summer night is holding on to memories I can't ignore. Like a clear blue sky above, you don't fade away anymore. Even if the city sleeps, I'm still awake right here. A quiet warmth still lingers on. It feels like you were near. Empty streets are moving slowly, only soft winds passing through. In a night with no one talking, I'm alone but thinking you. Even now your voice is staying in the air I breathe tonight. The more I try to let it go, the more it feels so bright. The night is holding on to memories I can't ignore. Like a clear blue sky above, you don't fade away anymore. Even if the city sleeps, I'm still awake right here. A quiet warmth still lingers on. It feels like you were near. When the sky turns slowly golden, your name appears in my mind. A message I never sent you, still resting on my phone. In the fading sunset colors, our frozen time remains. Every word I couldn't send you still stays inside my name. I call you at the horizon, where the red light disappears, but the silence never answers. It only gets more clear. Through the light that's slowly falling, memories pass me by. All the words I never sent you keep building up inside. Even when the night arrives now and covers up the sky, where do all my unspoken words go when they can't reach you and I? In the fading sunset colors, our frozen time remains. Every word I couldn't send you still stays inside my name. I never sent you, still resting on my phone. In the fading sunset colors, our frozen time remains. Every word I couldn't send you still stays inside my name. I call you at the horizon, where the red light disappears, but the silence never answers. It only gets more clear through the light that's slowly falling. Memories pass me by. All the words I never sent you keep building up inside. Even when the night arrives now and covers up the sky, where do all my unspoken words go when they can't reach you and I? In the fading sunset colors, our frozen time remains. Every word I couldn't send you still stays inside my name. I call you at the horizon, where the red light disappears, but the silence never answers. It only gets more clear. Please don't come today. I think I need some time alone. I'm smiling like I'm okay, but I'm not really home. Please don't come. My heart is still a little messy. I'm trying to act alright, but I might fall apart so easily. Please don't come. Just give me a little more time. When I'm okay again, I'll be the one who calls you first this time. Like the sound outside my window, everything keeps moving on, but I'm holding all these feelings, trying not to break too long. I don't need your sorry words now, just silence by my side. When I finally feel alright, I'll step back into the light. Please don't come. My heart is still a little messy. I'm trying to act alright, but I might fall apart so easily. Please don't come. Just give me a little more time. When I'm okay again, I'll be the one who calls you first this time. Please don't come today. I think I need some time alone. I'm smiling like I'm okay, but I'm not really home. Please don't come. My heart is still a little messy. I'm trying to act alright, but I might fall apart so easily. Please don't come. Just give me a little more time. When I'm okay again, I'll be the one who calls you first this time. Like the sound outside my window, everything keeps moving on, but I'm holding all these feelings, trying not to break too long. I don't need your sorry words now, just silence by my side. When I finally feel alright, I'll step back into the light. Please don't come. My heart calendar keeps turning on, but summer still remains. The air is getting slightly cold, yet you are still the same. In this endless August night, we're still standing in between. Time is slowly fading out, but keeps repeating scenes. We should've let the season go, but somehow we still stay. What I thought would disappear is here in every way. The nights are getting longer now. The streets feel unfamiliar. The warmth we used to know so well is slowly getting thinner. I know that it will end one day. I understand the truth, but I don't wanna let it go. Not this moment with you. In this endless August night, we're still standing in between. Time is slowly fading out, but keeps repeating scenes. We should've let the season go, but somehow we still stay. What I thought would disappear is here in every way. The morning of 23 feels quieter than I thought. Not quite an adult yet, not a child anymore. 23, this age of mine. Where am I right now? Without a clear direction, I just keep walking on. 23, this moment, time keeps flowing by. Will I ever understand what I am? 23 feels quieter than I thought. Not quite an adult yet, not a child anymore. 23, this age of mine. Where am I right now? Without a clear direction, I just keep walking on. 23, this moment, time keeps flowing by. Will I ever understand what I am? Friends are slowly changing, drifting out of sight. Under the same sky, we choose different roads. There is no right answer, that's what they all say. But inside my restless heart, I still say 23, this age of mine. Even if I'm lost, it's okay to be unready. I still live as me. 23, this moment will soon pass away. But even this version of me was still me.